So today I'm making ground beef or ground veal. Traditionally it's called as Qeema, and it's a pretty decent dish made with, in a certain way. So first as first, I have put my garam masala into my pressure cooker. That comprises or constitutes of half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, 3 small green cardamom, 3 pieces small green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 pieces of cloves, a bay leaf, and a little bit of ground black pepper. I'm going to fry it till it becomes aromatic, and then I'm going to add my onions and ginger garlic paste. Just so you would know, I have added a tablespoon and a half of my ginger garlic paste to it, and I'm going to saute it till it gets slightly brown or aromatic. So the ginger garlic paste has changed its color. It may look like a little bit like this. Now it's time to add onions. I have added 2.5 small onions, slivered, just like I always do. I'm going to cook it till they are translucent. You can see my onions are getting sauteed and they are converting into translucent color. That's pretty much how we want it. So, for this recipe, my spice mix comprises of a half teaspoon or a quarter teaspoon should be okay. A quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of coriander, and I have used, as you can see, red chili flakes, so half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. I have cut 1 green chili pepper. That's pretty much it, and I have already chopped my tomatoes. I have a video already uploaded to my channel how to cut tomatoes like this, and I'm gonna add this now. So you can see my onions are translucent, and I'm gonna add my spice, the green chili, and oh boy, this smells so good. Now, I'm going to cook this till it's aromatic. So, I have added my ground veal, and let's try this. So I have sauteed my ground veal, and it pretty much looks like this. The discoloration has started, and we're gonna cook just for a little while, and then I'm gonna add my chopped tomatoes. As you can see, I have added the tomatoes, and I'm gonna wait for another 5 to 10 minutes before I stir them in. So after 5 minutes, I have stirred in the tomatoes, mixed very well, and now I'm going to add some water to it, and I'm going to put the lid of my pressure cooker so that it may pressure cook for say 20 minutes, and then I'm going to add yogurt, and then I'm going to add my peas. Here's my peas, and then I'm going to add my potatoes. I can pre-boil potatoes if I want to. I think that's probably what I'm going to do. Alright, see you in 20 minutes. So here you can see I have added my green peas to it, and I have added half a cup of water or 3/4 cups of water, and I'm going to put the lid and I'm going to pressure cook it for 20 minutes. So I added my potatoes, and that's how it looks like right now. And pressure cooked it for 20 minutes, and smells delicious. Yeah, it looks nice. Nice quality. Now I'm going to add my flavor enhancer, which is salt, and that's all there is to it. So now I am going to add a little secret recipe of now I'm going to add coconut cream to it. This much should be okay. Coconut cream makes food taste really good. It's a natural flavor enhancer. It milds down the spices and it's really nice. Now I'm gonna leave it, and I'm gonna let it cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it will be deliciously done. My delicious keema curry with potatoes and peas is ready. Just sprinkled some coriander on it, so it gives a beautiful look. And I hope you like my video. My potatoes are intact, so that's a blessing. And it tastes delicious. Hope you're gonna make it. Thank you very much, and have a good day.